GLP-1 is in demand, but what about the stocks? Let's check in now with Craig Bolanos, the co-founder of VestGen, as well as a wealth advisor. Craig, we talk about the hot run in AI stocks, but what about weight loss stocks? Those are gainers. Both Eli Lilly and Novo Nordisk are up. Eli Lilly now trading above $1,000.
Well, Angela, I think sometimes the best investments are hiding in plain sight. Right now, there's a thirst and a demand for everything that is AI. But I think we have to look at what else is transformative besides technology. And that's going to lead us into the healthcare space. That's specifically going to lead us into the space that is GLP-1s, because I think there's tremendous value courtesy of transformative change.
Craig, taking a look at Eli Lilly and Novo Nordisk, would you buy either one of those GLP-1 connected stocks?
Well, I think, you know what? You've got to look at the major players that are in that space. You just named two of them, but I think it's the entire vertical, Angela. It's not just the manufacturer of the drugs. It's the entire ecosystem. Think of the medical devices. Think of everything that goes up and down market in the manufacturing, distribution, and administration of GLP-1s. And I understand the overhang. There's a good reason that healthcare is trading at a discount. That's a discount relative to the broader market, certainly a discount to technology. And that's some of the hangover that's there as a result of administrative pricing issues back and forth with the White House, with Congress, et cetera. But if we put our eyes on long-term secular trends, GLP-1s has to be at the top of everyone's list. And when we have an opportunity to buy things that have value and are relatively cheap compared to broad markets, I speak for just more exposure into healthcare in general and the entirety of the vertical, not just the drug names.
Any other common sense that we need to know about investing in GLP-1?
I think the most important thing is everybody right now should go into their portfolio, look under the hood, and see what your exposure and your weighting is to places like technology and communications. And then ask yourself the question, while there's tremendous value there, where else can you unlock secular change coming from innovation? That's a very disruptive industry. And I think that's going to lead you into two spots, healthcare and energy. And since the focus is on healthcare today, let's specifically look at the subsector of all of the companies in the vertical of GLP-1s, because creating defined outcomes, better human existence, is going to have such transformative changes, not just for those patients, but for their productivity and for society and companies and investors who unlock that discipline. If you want to learn more, connect with us online at getretired, stayretired.com.